M3ZLE, M3MPY, you there, Lem?
M3ZLE, yeah, I'm in, Steve, no problem.
Okay, well, you're on film at the moment. Unfortunately, the camera can't pick up the signal meter, but there is a setting. It's got like a little light on it. I think the light is sort of blinding out the camera because it's reflecting back off the screen on the radio, but I don't know. But according to this, this is a little FT, what is it, 1802. It's got no numbers on the signal meter anyway, but about 3/4 of the way across over.
M3ZLE, yeah, okay, Steve, no problem. Yeah, I think I had that radio for a little while, didn't I? Is that the one that gets a tad warm over?
Yep, that's the one. You can, you know, if I wanted an egg fry particularly in the summer, you know, when the old ambient temperature's up a little bit, you know, you just crack it on the top, and 2 minutes later, Bob's your uncle. So they are. Just stand by, Liam. I just want to see if I can go into the. Oh no, I can't. I was going to see if I could go into the menu and just sort that out. So I don't know. What can we call this? VHF something or other. I don't know, but I think there's something. But I'm going to stop it in a minute. But it's partially really so you can hear what your little radio sounds like. Just tell the people on YouTube what radio it is you're using. M3ZLE, M3MPY over.
M3ZLE, okie dokie, Steve. Well, it's a Yaesu FT208R, I think. Yeah, it is, yeah. An FT208R handheld transceiver with an extension microphone on it. And just out of curiosity, have I got that sort of high-pitch whistling noise with the audio over?
M3MP. Well, there is like a noise, but I think everyone has like a tiny little bit of noise. Nothing. I wouldn't worry about it at all. I mean, if you hadn't have asked, I would never have mentioned it. Let's put it that way. I mean, it could be my power supply. Could just be a bit of noise because I'm on the beam. You know, you could be a lot stronger, but that's not your fault. I'm just horizontally polarised and you're not. But I can tell you something. I thought I knew what direction to point the beam to get you, but apparently not. You know the hill that I'm on, Liam, I've had to point the beam over the top of the hill to bring your signal in, so it was a bit of an eye-opener that. Never thought of doing that before. And on your next over, Liam, I'll stop filming. M3ZLE in Bromham, M3NPY in Pavenham.
M3MPY, M3ZLE, yeah, okay, Steve, yeah, well, when you, I presume you turned the beam to where you thought would be good for me, and that was when your signal went down, so, yeah. But yeah, I mean, as you know, I don't know that much about beams, because I've never used one, but, yeah, your signal's okay now. No, the reason why I asked for the noise with the audio, Steve, was because
I just turned the volume
I've got a scanner here which is receiving, and I've got some Simplex frequencies stored in it, and this is one of them. So when I talk, the scanner stops, and I can hear myself, and there is a whistling noise with it. So yeah, but as long as it's not, you know, overpowering or blocking the audio out or anything, that's all okay, and it's very obviously unnoticeable, as you just said, so I'm quite happy with that. It's a shame the radio doesn't open the repeaters, but it's all good for Simplex, so I'm happy with that. Back to you, Steve, from M3ZLE, over.
M3ZLE, M3NPY. Well, I seem to get the camera just right that time, so you can actually see what sort of signal I'm receiving you at, and I'll put it closer, the camera closer to the radio, and there is like a little noise, but nothing worth worrying about. Now if I move my phone to my power supply, which is only about 2 feet away, you won't really sort of know what I'm doing, Liam, until you watch the video. There you go. Anyway, I'm running 5 watts at the moment into a little 4-element beam. Can't remember what it's called, but it was just a cheap and cheerful. I think the boom's only just over a metre long, about 1200 mil long, something like that. But I've done really well on it, but because I haven't got a vertical antenna up at the moment, we're sort of down on signal to each other slightly, but because we're so close we're getting away. But I'm just sort of waffling on, Liam, really for the benefit of the film. But I'm going to stop filming now, and hopefully you'll better find it alright when we're all finished. Hang on.